What if I told you? You don't have to choose between burning fat or building muscle. You can do both at the same time. And I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been stuck deciding whether to cut fat or bulk up, this is the video for you. Today I'm talking body recomposition, the science of losing fat while building lean muscle at the same time. No crash diets, no extreme bulks, just smart training, smarter eating, and real sustainable results. Let's get into it. First up, let's break down how recomposition actually works. Your body can lose fat and build muscle if you play your cards right. Here's the catch. You'll need a slight calorie deficit to lose fat, but you also need enough protein and strength training to actually trigger muscle growth. The goal here isn't just weight loss, it's fat loss with muscle gain, which changes how your body looks, not just what the scale says. Want real results? Protein is king. Aim for about 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight daily. For most active people, that's around 120 to 160 grams a day. Why does this work? Protein preserves muscle when you're in a deficit, it boosts your metabolism, and it keeps you full. Fill your plate with lean meats, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, or grab a quality whey protein shake post-workout. Now about your training. If you're only doing cardio, you're leaving muscle on the table. To build muscle and burn fat, strength train at least 3 to 4 times a week. Focus on compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and presses. Use progressive overload, meaning challenge yourself to lift a bit more or do a bit more over time. Science backs this up. A 2020 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that overweight individuals who strength trained in a calorie deficit gained muscle and lost fat at the same time. Let's bust a myth. You have to bulk to grow muscle. That's outdated. Sure, bulking can help advanced lifters, but for most people, especially beginners or anyone coming back after a break, recomposition is totally possible. Especially if you're new to lifting, returning after a break, or you're overweight. The body can use stored fat for energy and muscle building. Now here's the real talk, be patient. This isn't a 2-week transformation. Recomp takes time, but it's worth it. Expect to see visible changes in about 6 to 12 weeks, especially if you're consistent with protein, strength training, sleep, and hydration. One of my clients trained 4 times a week, upped her protein, and didn't lose a single pound on the scale after 8 weeks. But she dropped 2 pant sizes and felt stronger than ever. That is recomposition. So, here's your simple body recomposition formula. Eat in a slight calorie deficit. Prioritize protein every single day. Strength train with purpose. Don't overdo cardio. And most importantly, be consistent and patient. Recomp is real. You can lose fat and gain muscle without bulking or starving yourself. If this helped you rethink your fitness strategy, drop A in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no BS guides that actually work. And if you're serious about your transformation, check out the free meal plan and workout guide linked below. Catch you in the next one. Stay strong.